There's a version of you that's literally stuck because of the exposure it had growing up. And if you want to get to the next level, you have to kill that real version of yourself that you think is really you. It's not. It's just a conditioned version of you. Somebody set those things, those thoughts, those emotions, those actions, and that result for your life before you even decide it was true. Before you even could decide it was true, because you just accepted it. Your subconscious mind accepts everything it's giving. It has no choice. And because you don't have consciousness until you're at a certain point where you turn on the lights inside your brain and say, wait a minute, that doesn't make sense. You're going to continue to repeat the patterns of that set reality, that set identity. Once you shift from the real to the ideal, the conscious, intentional impressions of your subconscious, you're going to see a change in your life. That's when it all changes. When you go from the real to the ideal. Tap in with me, H for Life Coach, if you want to have that change.